This yellow powder can help you lose belly fat. And guess what? This natural spice is cheap and can be found in any food store. When used in addition to proper diet and exercise, you can get amazing results. In this video, you're going to get 4 tea recipes that use this powerful natural compound to help you reach your weight loss goals. This yellow-powered gem is called turmeric. Its potent health properties are all thanks to this stuff called curcumin, which gives turmeric its vibrant yellow color. There are studies out there that suggest curcumin can really give your weight loss efforts a boost in several ways. Studies have shown that curcumin, the stuff that gives turmeric its kick, is pretty great at fighting inflammation and acting as an antioxidant. These qualities are super helpful when you're trying to lose weight. Some researchers even found that when you eat or drink turmeric, it can block certain inflammation triggers that usually lead to weight gain. By calming down inflammation, it helps prevent fat from building up too much. In another scientific review, this one looked at 21 studies and found some pretty cool stuff. Turns out, folks who took curcumin saw some great changes. They lost weight, trimmed down their body mass index, and even had a boost in adiponectin levels, especially those dealing with metabolic syndrome. Basically, curcumin can kickstart your body's heat production process, which helps burn fat. This herb can be helpful for losing weight. One other great thing about turmeric is that it decreases growth of fat cells. Researchers have discovered that higher levels of turmeric extracts can really put the stop on the growth of fat tissue. This means less fatty cells and cholesterol end up hanging around in your liver, which not only helps you shed some pounds, but also keeps your liver healthier by steering clear of diseases often linked with being overweight. Now let's get into those recipes, and trust me, they're as easy as they are effective. Recipe 1. The classic turmeric tea. For this you'll need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, 1 teaspoon of honey for a touch of sweetness, and a cup of hot water. Simply mix all the ingredients in your cup of hot water, stir well, and let it steep for about 5 minutes. It's soothing, warming, and has a gentle kick. Next up is recipe 2, turmeric with ginger. For this invigorating recipe, add ½ teaspoon of turmeric, ½ teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, juice of half a lemon, 1 cup of boiling water. And don't forget a little honey. Ginger adds an extra boost for digestion. Adding lemon not only enhances flavor, but also vitamin C for your immune system. Combine everything and enjoy. Next recipe is turmeric cinnamon delight. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, ½ teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a dash of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, 1 cup of hot water or milk for creaminess. This one's perfect for a chilly evening, with cinnamon adding a sweet spice that not only tastes great, but also helps control blood sugar levels. The last recipe is iced turmeric green tea. For this you'll need 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 green tea bag, juice of 1 lemon, a handful of mint leaves, honey to taste, and a glass of ice water. Steep the green tea and turmeric in hot water, let it cool, then add lemon juice, mint, and ice. It's refreshing, detoxifying, and great for a fat-burning boost. Now that we've got these fat-burning tea recipes, let's talk about the best times to enjoy your turmeric tea to maximize its benefits for fat loss and overall health. Timing can be everything when it comes to food and drinks that boost your metabolism. So, when should you drink turmeric tea? Well, there are 2 prime times that are best, in the morning and just before bed. Starting your day with a cup of turmeric tea can kickstart your metabolism and help your body begin to burn fat. Drinking it in the morning also means you're not only waking up your mind, but also activating your body's energy-burning processes. Plus, it's a great way to hydrate after a night's sleep and boost your digestion from the get-go. Now, on the other hand, having a cup before bed can also be beneficial. While you might think it's best to avoid drinking too many liquids before sleep, a warm cup of turmeric tea can actually help calm your body and prepare it for rest. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric help in soothing your body and can enhance your sleep quality, which is important for weight loss and recovery. And there's an added bonus: during sleep, your body's metabolism is at work, and the curcumin in turmeric assists in that overnight fat-burning process. So, whether you choose to start your day with a boost or end it with a soothing ritual, adding turmeric tea can help you reach your weight loss goals. Try it out and see what works best for your lifestyle and your body. Everyone's body reacts differently, so it might take some experimenting with timing to find out what feels best for you. There you have it, delicious turmeric tea recipes to help you work towards a flatter belly. Don't forget that consistency is key, so try incorporating these teas into your daily routine for the best results. And always keep your diet balanced and healthy.